Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. The Reggae Boyz 26-man squad for the upcoming Copa America tournament to be held in the USA will be officially announced on Wednesday evening. Members of the squad will be revealed at a press briefing at 8 p.m. at Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records Sports Bar in Kingston. The Reggae Boyz are expected to begin their Copa America camp on June 16 in Houston. They have been drawn in Group B, where they'll face Mexico in their opening match on June 22. They'll also play Ecuador on June 26 and Venezuela on June 30. Now, this will be the Reggae Boyz' third appearance at the Copa America tournament, with the previous appearances at the 2015 and 2016 editions. On both occasions, the Reggae Boyz finished last at the group stage and are yet to score a goal. Jamaica qualified for the 2024 Copa America by reaching the 2023-2024 CONCACAF Nations League semi-finals, following their dramatic win over Canada in the quarterfinals. The Jamaicans are coming off victories over the Dominican Republic and Dominica in their World Cup qualifying campaign. Meanwhile, the under-20 Reggae Boyz were hammered 6-2 by hosts Mexico in an international friendly on Monday. Nathaniel Howe and Niall Waugh scored for the young Jamaicans. The under-20 Reggae Boyz are preparing for the CONCACAF Championship to be held from July 4 to August 18 in Mexico. They have been drawn in Group A with the USA, Mexico and Cuba. The four semi-finalists from the championship will qualify for the FIFA Under-20 World Cup in 2025 in Chile. Now, two-time world under-20 100-meter champion Tina Clayton says being disciplined is a critical part of her preparation as she looks to make her first Olympic team. Clayton says she'll only be competing in the 100 meters and despite a tough field expected, is confident of making it to the quadrennial games for the first time.
Forward to great things for trials. Preparation have been going good and the discipline, so I'm looking for great things at trials.
The MVP athlete has a season's best of 11.17 seconds. And the 19-year-old says she's not placing any limits on herself as she gears up for the national trials.
Preparation has been going good so far. No limit. I'm trying to go through the rounds and make it to the finals, and then after there we will get the job done.
Tina and her twin sister Tia were honored at the recent staging of the JTA Sagicor National Parish Championships, where St. Thomas were crowned champions. And that's where we leave the track for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.